You're experienced, you work hard, but when Agile becomes the language in the room, do you ever feel one step behind? Maybe you've had that moment before. You're in a meeting and people are talking about sprints, backlogs, shifting priorities, customer feedback, and faster delivery. You understand project work, but deep down, you know the workplace has changed. And that gap matters because today it is not just about being hardworking, it's about being seen as relevant, credible, and ready for the way modern projects are delivered. Projects are moving faster, budgets are tighter, customer needs keep changing. That is why organizations are turning to Agile to improve flexibility, transparency, collaboration, predictability, and speed while reducing waste. And that is why Agile certification matters. It does not just add knowledge, it strengthens your marketability, validates your capability, and see that you have relevant Agile knowledge and experience for today's project environment. At J.K. Michaels, we offer Agile Scrum certification pathways, including PMI-ACP, Scrum Master, Scrum Product Owner, Scrum Developer, Scaled Scrum Master certifications to help professionals like you build practical, relevant competence. Let's take an example with Shola. Shola was already experienced in project coordination, but she used to stay quiet when Agile teams came up in delivery meetings. After the Agile training, she began contributing more confidently, understanding sprint, planning better, and even speaking with more clarity in project discussions. That is the kind of shift that changes how you're seen. If you're ready to stop feeling left behind and start building the Agile credibility modern organizations respect, choose the certification pathway today. Think training, think Jake Michaels. Think training impact, think Jake Michaels. See you in class.